Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how can you download apps on a Spectrum cable box. So here's a guide for supported apps and also what can you do alternatively in 2026. Method 1, you can access pre-installed apps on your cable box. Turn on your television and your Spectrum cable box hardware. Press the menu button on your physical Spectrum remote control to load the primary guide sidebar. Scroll through the menu options using your directional pad and highlight apps. Press the center OK or Select button to display pre-installed applications like Netflix, YouTube, and Max, or that's HBO. Select your target application tile and sign in with your third-party account credentials to stream. Method 2, use voice commands to trigger cloud applications. You can bypass manual navigation through roles entirely by deploying the remote's microphone processing tracking. Point your physical voice remote directly towards the front panel sensor of your cable box. Press and hold the microphone-shaped voice button on your remote keypad layout. State the name of the service clearly, like launch YouTube or open Netflix, and release the button. Wait up to 5 seconds for the cloud server pipeline to fetch and launch the application interface. Method 3, cast missing apps from a mobile device. Connect your smartphone or tablet to the exact same Spectrum Home Wi-Fi network as your cable box. Open your device native app store and download the official Spectrum TV app. Launch the Spectrum TV app, select your desired live channel or on-demand video stream, and locate the Send to TV or Cast icon in the upper right corner. Choose your specific cable box name from the local device selection list. Watch your physical cable box automatically catch the wireless sync stream and route the media onto your television screen. Method 4, switch to a Fire Zoomer Stream box, which is an alternative method. If your legacy hardware does not display the apps you need, you can request an upgrade to a newer streaming hub. Contact your Spectrum customer support to request a Zoomer Stream box, which is included with modern Spectrum TV plans at no additional fee. Connect the Zoomer device directly to your television via an HDMI data cord to replace your traditional tuner layout. Access the built-in Zoomer platform hub to unlock over 250 cloud-hosted applications, including your Disney Plus, Hulu, Peacock, and Prime Video. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.